insulation. Somebody posted that the trees behind Giant got knocked down in their backyards here.
My mom was lucky. She was one of the houses that didn't get hit too hard.
Now, see, look at all the debris.
What's that? The stuff on the roof?
No, I'm just saying, look at all the stuff all over the road. Look at the garage on the right.
Wow.
The garage blew out. I wonder if the side of the house got messed up.
Nope.
Nope. Look at that garage.
Daddy, there's one house I want to see that's out of the neighborhood, okay?
Look at all their flashings gone.
Why does that tree kind of look like it was supposed to be like that?
They lost all the flashing up top. There's more flashing. Yeah, it came through here.
Yeah.
Look, they have a window out up here, Mason.
Just in this neighborhood, there's at least going to be $2 million spent fixing up houses. Right?
That'll be a lot of money. Look, they have a ladder out going up to the roof. That tree's bent. Oh my God, look at this tree here.
We're pulling up on the part that I really wanted
Look
to
at their
see.
window.
Yeah.
Look at their garage next door, pop-up.
Wow.
See it? Open?
Yeah.
It's blown in.
Mm-hmm.
Their porch lamps. The tornado came right through here. Their fence is down, partially. Here's Pop-Up's house.
I know.
Holy cow. That tree is not theirs on the front yard. There's their mailbox. Tree took out their mailbox. Look at this tree. It's not theirs.
Where's the house got?
Look at the stop sign down. Oh, tree came from here. See the stump? What's left of it?
Where's the house that literally got
Duck
destroyed?
your head down. Swing set's down over there.
Daddy, make
See the swing set?
Yeah.
Look at the house down the street.
Holy cow.
There's dirt in the road here.
Dad, make that way. Go that way. I want to see Aiden's house and see if it's okay.
We're not driving there. The road's closed.
Oh.
Look at these trees. There's the the tree outside of Pop-Pop's house. Both trees are down.
I mean, it did no damage to their fence.
This house has a broken window.
That house got destroyed.
You see the bathtub up there?
Yeah.
And those rooms have been cleared. All the stuff was sucked out. They just moved in not too long ago.
Yeah.
trees down here on the left.
Hopefully everyone's okay. Everyone's okay, right?
Yeah, we'll pray that they're okay.
Yeah.
We can't go out to the road there. All their windows, look at the windows out up there.
And that house got.
Look at this house here too.